Hello. We are going to get rent right now at Publix, and then I'm probably gonna do a little bit of shopping because I don't have any veggies, and you know, it's kind of a necessity. Mel's picking us up, so here she is. Oh. I just don't know what I want. Oh, they don't have the one that I want.
What do you like?
I like the orange mango.
I like strawberry banana. Is that basic? Gabby in her habitat, shopping at Publix. Mel, what do you have to say about that? Oh my gosh, she's taking my cookie. I'm so sad. No, please stop.
Gabby, deep in thought about yogurt. I want dairy-free Greek yogurt.
They have to have that.
No, they only have dairy-free yogurt, like normal yogurt.
What the heck? Here, I have something to show the vlog.
Why are you showing the vlog?
Mel, what's your favorite type of yogurt? Go.
Greek yogurt.
So, what are you buying today, Gabby?
Lots of veggies and things that I can use.
She has a really healthy cart. Basket, I mean. Ooh, look at all that cheese. I love cheese.
I don't know how this place works. Where's the hummus?
Where's the hummus? Where's the beef? Where's the... We found the hummus. It's a good life. We found the hummus, Gabby.
This is the only place like the good cheap hummus.
Yeah, you're right. Publix is so expensive.
So those sriracha carrot. Oh, here.
Yum. Deli! Deli!
I bet the spinach artichoke is amazing. That's what I would get.
Gabby,
that's what I would get.
Gabby loves classic. I don't blame her.
Basic.
Well, I'm basic because I like everything that you don't. That makes no sense. I don't know where I was going with that.
I don't know where I was going. She's gonna love looking at that later, let me tell you.
What are you doing the rest of your life?
Work? No, I didn't.
Oh.
That would be bad.
How are you feeling right now, Mom?
My head hurts. I think I've had way too much chocolate today.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm really zoomed in.
Please don't.
Hey.
Please don't do that to me.
Gabby?
Stop zooming in.
I cannot wait. Where'd you park? Shotgun.
Yes.
Shotgun.
Okay.
We're coming. Yes, see you there.
Have a good day.
Bye. I love Publix. Everyone's so fun at Publix.
Give me the camera. Give me the camera.
I don't want to.
Hello. So right now we're home and I'm making lunch, dinner, lunch, really late lunch. Cassie inspired me and I'm making green bean casserole, which is like her recipe. It's the best.
So good.
Thanks,
Thanksgiving classic.
And then I'm making some grilled chicken and mashed potatoes and broccoli. So it's a very like, it's basically like dinner, but I want to make it now because I'm hungry, so it's fine.
Content.
The lighting is terrible. Oh my god. Now the oven's ready. The water is taking forever to boil. I just want to eat, you know?
Oh, watch the pot never boils.
Yep.
Awkward.
Stop, Gabby.
Hey guys, shout out to Patrick. Guys, turn around, say hey. Hello. That's good content. That is great content.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at how beautiful this is. My chicken, green bean casserole. Let me give you guys some better lighting. Like, look at this. So good, guys. Hashtag Chef Gabby. Look his back. We're going to the gym because we're not good people, but it's fine.
Gym buffs, that's why.
We'll see what's happening. Boom! Oh, that was a really good one. Clean. Clean. I wish you were wearing Crocs to the gym. Okay, goodbye. So uncomfortable.
Gosh, it's like totally
rad. Yeah, so we're just walking, trying to get our heart rate up before we have to go work out our legs.
Get a good shot of me running. Ready?
Go, go, go. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Majestic. Yep, okay, so we just did the machines, and now I'm about to try and get us to do something like, I haven't even tried it.
Gabby, you said you had a plan.
Yes, I do, okay. You're the rudest one. Okay, we're about to do this. Peace.
That's fun.
That's like a real, oh, that's, no, not that one. How do I,
That's the middle one.
yeah. Oh wait, no.
Like pretty spotlights.
The middle one's better. Wow, hey guys.
Hello.
We just got done with leg day at the gym. My hand's really shaky if you can't tell. Sorry.
We're like, I like my legs are giving out as I walk.
Like,
it was so good.
It was such a good, I hate being that person.
Yeah. No, but okay, we almost didn't go and Dulcie dragged us, so I'm so
seriously,
thankful
we
for
were
her.
like,
I watched a motivational YouTube video earlier today, and
Ooh,
I was like, we gotta do that too.
So this is your motivational YouTube section.
Yeah, get out there.
Go, go.
Just do it.
Go.
They did so freaking well today. They did so much.
She did too.
Yeah.
She did like 170 pounds on that one thing.
I know, Dulcie's a freaking beast.
She's so strong.
Yeah, no, so basically this is just like we love each other and go to the gym, go be healthy.
Exactly.
Go get your shit
We're
right.
going to the dining hall.
Worth it. Even if it's a bad workout,
Always.
it's a workout.
Always.
Just be
Tell
active,
them.
do something.
We're going to the dining
we're
hall
going to
now.
JP.
So I'll get like a cute little clip of JP where Cassidy
That was
used
so
to live.
Cool.
Okay, see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bitches, Uber full of bitches, Uber full of bitches, and you know I got a Uber full of bitches, Uber full of bitches, Uber full of bitches.
We're not cool.
That's a bad word.
We're not cool. We know we're not
Too
cool,
late.
okay? Ooh, guess what? I'm back. It's amazing. That didn't make any sense. So this vlog was very all over the place. Don't really know what to tell you. My days have been very weird, so just bear with me. But I was thinking more. That didn't make sense. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning as I'm editing this, and I feel like I'm dying. So that's why I can't speak coherent sentences. Well, like I usually can't anyways, but that's why it's really bad right now. So just wanted to give you guys a little update. I think I'm going to be incorporating different things into my Vlogmas things. So like reviews of makeup, sit down videos, like just like actual things. I promise it won't be the same thing over and over again of just like you guys following me along for a full day in my life every single day, because I know that my life isn't that interesting. But let me know what you guys want to see. That would be really great, really helpful. I would love if you guys just like commented a lot. I saw a lot of comments on my one video about Salt Life. Thank you, Maria, for that. Don't really understand. I bought that shirt ironically at a thrift store for 90 cents. Anyways, so yes, just comment, like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you. See you soon. Bye.